Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Snellville local and long distance movers near me. Our services are both interstate and intrastate, which means that depending on you, we can make a move outside or within a state. A long distance move has as its minimum distance 50 miles. This distance may fall within the state from which the move is arranged or extend well out of it. No matter your situation, we've got you covered. How do we manage to make such a move without any problems? First, we leverage the relationship we have with the state authorities in charge of the moving process. This relationship allows us to move our clients without any problem. Secondly, we offer our clients insurance coverage that ensures that they are covered from any risk liabilities throughout the trip. In the local community, we are known to be credible, efficient, and friendly. Our movers are serious about performing their duty, and we charge very affordably, about $30 to $40 per hour, even with the quality of their service. We are the best moving firm you will find in the area. Our activities make us the envy of other moving firms in the area. Our professionalism is top of the shelf, and we are always ready to meet with customers and clients at any given time. As long as you are ready to move, you should give us a call. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Snellville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.